So you might be in a situation where for some reason iOS 26.6 is draining your battery like crazy, and you're just trying to figure out how to go and fix your battery life before it gets pretty bad on this version of software. Now, the first thing I'd recommend thinking about is number one, you have to typically wait a couple of days for your battery life and everything to kind of settle down and index a little bit better. Sometimes that's kind of one of the big things that ends up happening. So, what you're probably going to have to do is just go through and just kind of make sure that your battery and everything like that is totally fine, but give it a few days for it to kind of settle down. That's one of the big things, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing here. Let your battery life settle down. That's the big thing that you probably want to keep in mind here. Now, on top of that, if that doesn't end up working, the next thing you're going to want to do here too is to go ahead and try force restarting your iPhone. So go through, click the volume, or just kind of hold down the volume up in the side button, slide the power off your iPhone, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem for you too. Sometimes that might be what I'd recommend doing too, and that might end up fixing it for you as well. Now you can also try going through and just keeping your eye on your battery health. So go inside of your battery options right here, scroll down to battery health at the bottom, and just go through and make sure there's not any battery health, kind of problems here either, because that can be another thing I'd recommend thinking about. So those are kind of the main ways to fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.